Today we start sheet number 7. This is the drawing the isometric view from orthographic projection or orthographic to isometric projection of a solid object. So problem number 1, basically this is the isometric view is given. You have to make it orthographic projection. And for problem number 2, this is the you have to make a isometric projection from the orthographic projection. Here the orthographic projection is given. This is front view and top view. Previously, I already told you that there will be 4 types of projection. This is isometric projection, orthographic projection, perspective projection, and oblique projection. In orthographic projection, to represent the object, minimum 2 view required, means front view, top view, or front view, side view, or top view. But for isometric or oblique or quadrant, there will be single pictorial view will be required. So here you see, this is the isometric projection, C number, problem number 1. This is the isometric projection is given. So from means here we give to front view, top view, and side view. Now, if you see it, so in front view, basically we see this part, this portion, and this portion, this triangle part, and this triangle. But this triangle, if you see, and this is the front view, means you see from this direction, because this is the front view is given, and this is the side view. From this we get the we get the side view, and from this is the top. Now from front view, we do not see it. So basically here we see a dotted line. So for this, what we do, here you see the dimension given 75 millimeter. This is 63 millimeter. So here we draw a horizontal line of 75 millimeter. Now here it is given, height is given 12 millimeter, and this is 50 millimeter. So draw a 12 millimeter vertical line, and here we draw a 50 millimeter vertical line and join it. Okay. Now this part, this is 25, this is also 25. So for this, what we do, in this point we make a 25 millimeter point, and here also make a 25 millimeter point. Now here draw a vertical line, and here also draw a vertical line. So this will be the 12. This is total 50 millimeter. This is 75 millimeter. Okay. This is 25. This is 25. So this part is complete. Now this rectangle. So this triangle, sorry, this is the triangle. So here it is C. The from the this end, this position will be 12 millimeter, and height will be 16 millimeter. So for this, what we do, here we draw a 12 millimeter line, horizontal 12 millimeter horizontal line, and here we draw a vertical line. So this is the 12 millimeter, and from this point we make 16 millimeter and mark the point. And here we draw a horizontal line of, just draw a horizontal line. So this will be the 16 millimeter. So this will be the 16. Now this triangle part. So from upper top, this is 12 millimeter. So from this top we mark a point 12 millimeter, and here we draw a horizontal line. And this is dotted line because this edge you do not see it. So this will be the 12 millimeter. Okay. So now the front view will be this is the front view. So this is the front view. Now we have to draw top view. So for top view, what we'll do? Each point we draw the projection. So first we take the projection line drawn. Then we draw a projection line. Okay. And here you see from the top, this will be 63 cross 75 a rectangle. Let's draw a rectangle. Yep. Now here what we'll do? Each point we draw the projection line. Here also at this point. Okay. Now from top view, first we draw this part. This part. So this is from the corner, this is 19 millimeter. So here at 19 millimeter we draw a horizontal line. And from this also 25 millimeter. So from this is 25 millimeter. So this is total 63. This is 19. This is 25. So this part, so this portion, so we get this is one type of rectangle. Now this is now if you see from the top, so this gap, this is 12 millimeter, this is also so 12 millimeter. So from this what we do, here we from this bottom there we make a 12 millimeter and draw a horizon. Make a 12 millimeter line trajectory. So basically this one one this part Next, for this one, for this gap, this is 22, this is 22. So for this, what we do, from this top corner, we make a 22 millimeter, this one, and here also we make a 22 millimeter. Draw a horizontal line at 22 millimeter. Here also draw a horizontal line of 22 millimeter. So the actual figure comes, so means this is this part will be the 12. This is 22. This is also 22. So this is the top view. Now I go to the side view. For side view, what we'll do, each point we draw the projection line. So first on this one, and here we draw a 45 degree. Let's extend this time. On the line, extend up to first with this triangle part. So from this draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. Complete the rectangle. So here the rectangle will be used. Then this gap. So this part is complete rectangle part. Now this gap. So from this and this gap, which is 22 millimeters. So from this draw a vertical line. On this we draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. Means this portion, this part. Next, this gap. For this gap, what we'll do, from this we draw a vertical line. So this 12 millimeter gap. For this gap up to this part. you can get it, and also then you get a dotted line. For 12 millimeter this portion, if you see from the side view, this 12 millimeter this part, you get a rectangle 12 millimeter. For this, you just join it. Then that's it. Yeah. So this is the side. In this you can see. View is given. You have to draw the isometric view. Now for isometric view, you remember this, the the right side and left side are in 30 degree. Means suppose first we draw a horizontal line. First we draw a horizontal line, and any arbitrary point we draw a 30-degree line. Here and here also draw a 30-degree line. Both are 30 degree. Okay. Means this angle also 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. Now you see, this is 82, this is 42. Okay. So in top view, basically you see this is 82 cross 42 rectangle. So first what we'll do, at this point we measure 82. This will be the 82 measurement, and suppose this is the 42 measurement by scale measure it. Now you see in front view, this will be 10 millimeter. So for this what we'll do, so this will be the, this is 42, this is 82. Now here we draw a vertical line. Here also draw a vertical line. And here also draw a vertical line. All right side you draw 30 degree, all left side you draw 30 degree, and vertically this is 90 degree. Now join by 10 millimeters, means you measure from this 10 millimeter and join it, and all are 30 degree. Okay. Now here also draw a 30-degree line, and here also draw a 30-degree line. So my platform is, means this is 10, this is also 10, this is also 10. Now you see this is 10 millimeter, means top view. So this is 10 millimeter. So here on this direction, here we take 10 millimeter. On this 10 millimeter, the total distance is 10, 24, 10, means total 44 millimeter. So here we draw a line of 30-degree angle. In this point, draw a line at 30, and this is 44 millimeter. And this is 10. So this will be the 32. So here also we draw a line 30 degree. Okay. Okay. Then you see the height will be the 35 millimeter. So from the base, but there will be 10 millimeter height. So this is 25. So for this, what we'll do here, we draw a 25 millimeter height from each point. Here draw 25. At this line, draw a vertical line 25. Here also 25. Here also draw 25. So complete the rectangle. So this height will be the 25. Okay, and this is 44 basically, and this is 32. So now there will be a triangle and there will be 10 millimeter. So for this, what we'll do, from this will be 10 millimeter, we mark the point. Here also 10 millimeter, we mark the point and we join it. So this will be the 10 millimeter. So this will be the 10 millimeter, just join it. Now from this point, we draw a vertical line. Here we draw a vertical line up to this one. And here we draw a, just join it. And you see this must be parallel to this line. So this part is completed. Means if you see from the front, you see this triangle. Clear? And this is 10 millimeter. Now you have to draw a circle. Here there will be a hole. Now in isometric orthographic projection, if you use front view, top view, you will see a hole also. But in isometric, you do not see a hole. Means you do not see a circle. We see a basically a ellipse. Now if for a circle, suppose this is your circle, and on this circle you see, so this is basically we get a square. But in this isometric projection, we get a rhombus. So for this rhombus, very important, if you see, suppose here the center point is given. Here the center point is given. This is 16 millimeter and this is 16 millimeter. So for this, what we'll do, here we measure 16 millimeter, mark the point. Here we measure 16 millimeter. In this point, we draw a 30-degree line. And here we draw another 16 millimeter point. We draw another 30 degree. Okay. Now, so basically this is your point. So this is 30-degree line. This is the 30-degree line. This is the center point. Clear? Now here the diameter is given 16 millimeter. So we mark the point both the side 80 millimeter. This is 80 millimeter. This is 80 millimeter. This is 8. This is 8. Similarly here also. So this is 8, 8, 8 and 8 millimeter. And here we draw the line of 30 degree again in this line, in this point. Next, this point, here also draw a 30 degree line. Here also draw a 30 degree line. And here also draw a 30 degree line. Now this rhombus will be created. Clear? Means all, because diameter is 16, basically what we'll do, you just replace all the things in 90 degree, in 30 degree. Means this axis is 30 degree, this axis is also 30 degree. this line also 30°, this line also 30°. I mean all are in 30°. Clear? Now you see, so if you give the name of the rhombus, so this will be the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the maximum diagonal of this rhombus will be this one. So maximum diagonal rhombus, we join it. So now if we the middle point of this opposite direction, so this is A and this is B. So now join A with 2 and B with 4. So the center points will be, this will be the C and this will be the D. Now take the center point to radius 2A. We draw center point to radius 2A. We draw a arc. Center point C, radius CA, draw this arc. Center point 4, radius 4B, we draw a arc. Center point D, radius DB, we draw this arc. So in this way, ellipse will be developed. Similarly, here also, already here we draw the center point. So this is 8 millimeter. This is 8, all side 8 millimeter. So here we draw a 30 line. Here also draw a 30 line. Then complete the rhombus. Then draw the, then join this one with this one with this one. Then same way we can draw the radius. This part will be very small and this part will be and again this will be very small. So this ellipse will be created. Okay. Next, this portion you see. This part will be, this is 10, this is 24, this is again 10. So first we, what we'll do. So from this we get a 10 millimeter and draw a line. Here also 10 millimeter, draw a line parallel 30°. Okay. So means this is 10, this is also 10, and this is 24. Now here also we get the same procedure. So first we draw the middle line. On this middle line we draw a vertical line. Here in this point we draw another vertical line. Here we draw another vertical line. So here we mark the center. This is 12 millimeter. This is also 12 millimeter. Now from this point, this is 12 millimeter, this is also 12 millimeter. So here we draw a 30 line, and here also 30 line. Now join this point with this one. Then join this with this one, and this one with this one. Now you see, taking the center point this one, this is radius up to this, we get this type of curve. Taking the center point this one, radius this one, with this type of curve we can generate. Our center point this one, radius up to this one, this type of curve will be generated. Okay. So now this side also there will be a cut. For this what we'll do, because this is 32 millimeter, here same radius will be, but we only shift the center point. Here this is the center point here. We shift the center point. We shift this center point at 32 millimeter from this point. 32 millimeter, mark the point, and take the same radius. Here we draw up to this curve, because this part is not shown here. So my main figure will be this one, this part, this one, this one, and this is the actual figure. You see this one.